Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect Xero to WooCommerce. This integration is incredibly useful. If you're running an online store and want to automatically sync your sales data, inventory, and financial records between both platforms, saving you hours of manual data entry to get started, open your web browser and navigate to Xero.com. This will take you to Xero's homepage where you can access your account. Once you're there, log into your Xero account using your email address and password. Make sure you're using the correct credentials to avoid any login issues. After successfully logging in, you'll land on your Xero dashboard. Now locate the 9-dot icon in the top right part of your screen. This icon is your gateway to accessing additional Xero features and integrations. Click on it and a drop-down selection will appear with various options. From this menu, click on Open Xero App Store. This is where you'll find all the third-party applications that can integrate seamlessly with Xero. You'll now be directed to Xero's App Store, which houses hundreds of apps ready for integration with your account. Here you can browse through various categories, but to save time, locate the search bar at the top of the page, type in WooCommerce, and hit Enter. Look through the search results for an app called WooCommerce Automatic Sync, then click on it. This specific app is designed to handle the automatic synchronization between your WooCommerce store and Xero. You'll now be directed to the app's overview page. Take a moment to read through all its functions, pricing details, and customer reviews. Scroll through the page carefully to understand all the benefits you can have by installing this app, such as automatic order syncing, inventory management, and real-time financial updates. This information will help you determine if it's the right fit for your business needs. Once you've reviewed everything and feel confident about proceeding, scroll back up to the top of the page and click on Get This App. Do note that this app only offers a 14-day free trial, so you'll want to make the most of that period to test its features. After clicking Get This App, you'll be directed to the WooCommerce Automatic Sync Authorization page. This is the final step in establishing the connection between your two platforms. Simply click on Allow Access, and the app will automatically sync your WooCommerce account to Xero. This authorization grants the app permission to access your sales data, customer information, and inventory levels, so everything can be synchronized in real time. And there you have it. Your WooCommerce store is now connected to Xero, and all your sales data will automatically flow into your accounting system. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.